In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom emoji in Slack, a fun and creative way to personalize your team's communication. Creating custom emojis allows you to bring a unique touch to your Slack workspace, perfect for improving engagement and adding a personal flair. Whether you're looking to add your company logo, a team mascot, or any silly image that represents your group, this guide will walk you through the simple process of making it happen. To get started, make sure you're in one of your Slack channels or direct messages. Then, direct your attention to the message input field where you generally type your messages. To the side of this field, you'll notice the familiar smiley face icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to the wide world of Slack emojis, where you can express all sorts of emotions and ideas, not just with words, but with tiny pictures. Once you click the smiley face, the emoji picker will open, revealing an array of emoji options for your ready use. Now, we're aiming to go beyond the standard set of emojis, so we need to access the Add Emoji feature. As you browse the emoji menu, simply scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Add Emoji button. Clicking on this will open an important window for creating your new emoji. Next up is the exciting part: uploading your own image. Click on the Upload Image button. Doing this will open a file dialog where you can navigate through your computer files. Select your desired image, making sure it's something clear that can translate well into an emoji. This image will soon become an integral part of your Slack interactions. After selecting the image file, it's time to give your fresh emoji a name. This step is important because the name you choose will be how you trigger this emoji in your conversations. Enter a simple, memorable, and lowercase name in the Give It a Name field. Think of names like Team Mascot or HR Approved, which you will type between colons in your messages to bring the emoji into a conversation. Ensure it's clear enough that your team members will easily remember it. Once you've named your emoji, go ahead and click the Save button. This action will seal the deal, converting your uploaded image into an emoji that you and your team can use in your Slack workspace. After saving, your custom emoji will be ready for action. All you need to do now is type the name you chose, surrounded by colons, in any channel or direct message to use it. And that's it! You've successfully added a unique element to your Slack interactions. With this new emoji, your workspace becomes just a little more special, reflecting your team's spirit and personality. Enjoy using your custom emoji and adding more as inspiration strikes. Thanks for following along, and keep having fun with Slack.